Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ha ka jingbut din jong UMLA ka Maukarwat constituency uma Renington Lingdo Tongkar Shadow Delhi ya ka Surok Tulin ka badai ka Surok National Highway ka bakipaj ba jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills District kila khmi lenti la Slambha ya ka bak sarkar pedeng kampat Shimla ai ya ka clearance hanrei hadin ka jingwan jingo jong Myntri Rangbah ka jilla ukonrat konggal sangma ya ka ni ka district haka arpu pratri ubnai nai tung arajar arpu wei kaladon ka jingkermen hadin bu Myntri hi dalade ulah Kular pan penyo ya ka Surok hagani ka district Rangbah ka Skhim jong ka sarkar jilla.
Also today I was on my way with our honorable MLA and minister, and he has been very particular, especially about the road connectivity from Moklang up to Maukarwat, and of course we have sanctioned some money for basic repair of the roads, but we are now working towards creating an intermediate lane, that means broadening this road and as well as making it brand new in one way. So that also is on the cards, and we're hopeful that very soon we will be able to sanction for this road construction. So we're looking at the financials is what is the critical part, but once things fall into place, I'm sure that our honorable MLA and the minister, who will be the person responsible for making this happen, so it depends on how much he works. So if he continuously pressurizes me like he always does, then definitely we will look into this road also. We realize that almost about 4 to 5 constituencies are connected by this road. All the people are connected to the state capital through this road, this entire region and this entire district. So therefore, this is a very important lifeline, and this has been neglected for a very long time. So we are very aware about this issue, and the Honorable Minister and MLA has stressed on this, and definitely this is one road that we will give priority from the state side. We have already pushed it as a national highway, but the list has not been approved yet by Government of India. So while the approval may take time, the Honorable Minister has suggested that the state may take this up. So definitely we will be considering that proposal also.
Hagani ka jingla iyo kachat jong Myntri Rangbah sa Southwest Khasi Hills District ulala jingo ru ya ka wei ka long ying ha ka shnong sakwang kabala do no ya la ka kme kabala khlat na ka jingpang COVID-19 dang ha kini ki khandiat sngi bat kum ka dak ka jing sngolam u Myntri Rangbah ula IT ru ya ka song pisa ka basan pho hajar tingka Rangbah ka check hadin kani Myntri Rangbah ula la jingo pat saya ka wei ka ying ha ka shnong jashiar ya kabala Pynroi Rangbah ka Skhim PMAY Haga jingya kendo bat kinong yalam shnong Myntri Rangbah ulayo pediang ya ka dorkhas baka shnong kala karpat ban penkala jaka jengok kai perthai ya ka wei ka jaka kabala tip kom ka garden rock bat ban thong khambon ru kiten riding na ka benta ban penjer ngam ya ka mai mariang ha ka shnong jashiar
the rock garden that our honorable MLA has been very passionately talking about. I want to assure the village people out here that I will, through tourism department and through soil conservation and forest department, take up both the projects. So we will send our people to come and do the entire assessment, because we don't know how much fund will be required, but whatever fund is required, I assure you that I will give from the state governments and the department side to ensure that both the forestry as well as the tourism sector are taken care of, simply because I am very excited to see the way all of you have combined together and taken the initiative to make this happen. It's a great example, and as a small gesture of thanking you and appreciating what you have done, I will be giving both the programs, both the schemes from the government side for the tourism as well as for the forestry.
Bagi Swkh idon biang mata sa simpak hangne ha ka 100-bedded hospital ha ka ba chief minister lawan banwan pej biang bat ni menta idon rohang ne gini official principal secretary jong ka health department i to sempat keman idon join director dini ba Myntri idon madam desi hangne kebagilah sekilang kena kejuan kejat yang chief minister kena ke hospital pati sutunat bai lai adalah kejong khmat ba na kejing trei hi kala jandep lo sedang barngalayok yang pertama i ba kabasa kedai setang ban yok ban sanction ni kipos hakabana kaliang juga permen kala da propose kala da pas ke sarkar equality den bori i lagjong khmat ba yakini kipos ro pan sayo no ban sanction nang bangin yok ban thung pai kibreu ba andala yok ban pli ke building ban la ban function adin ni bangin don pa kinong trei ta kena kam kebas kebarangsa Akaba, I will really request even Fiscal Secretary who is here to cooperate. I mean to really work hard to see that we can get the post sanction as early as possible of this hospital, so that when we inaugurate this building, we will be able also to function along with the, if not full strength, whatever percentage that the government can sanction, we better sanction it so that we can start the hospital. Kiwei di ke basukman kejingwan cimstam tengah segi kalong bah. Kemudian berkena ke Surok, kebah pajak baru kalau kepilti banyak nak Surok ke Kambah, naduk nak mau ngap, naduk mau keruat. Teh kejing song kali dengan naduk nak Shillong. Skhim banyak tu bah cimstar ulah snow tu kejing kam nak ke Surok, ulah Kular hanya bah. Ingin tahu kalau kepilti bah hakini hi, kam dapat Skhim syuk. Banyak pasangsian ke Surok, banyak Pynroi ya kah. Ban widen ban penhek lihat. Bat kunjur bat siang bat Skhim ia kena ke pavement ia kata ke bang Sukman haduk kata-kata bagi tu haki dengan sok kubur bakal don bin ke jingkerman watlah hadin ke bang lawan adalhi ban khwe lenti ban yok national highway hadin bang sutu bah kamsim don ka record kamsim 4 sila kamsim 4 la declare ka Surok ni ke national highway ila suduk mesim support ndai naduk bang phone ni UCM nadalhi hingga phone ni ai ke jingkerman ingat hadin bang lai kenduk mentah ka sini ila ai ta kemen bagi yok Surok ta ka dengan khabar khabhar kata bat setenap ru dari tu bahagian kejiwan yang chief star resmi kadong silangkum setai ru kebanya pan ban yok ban lek di thungding chief star keneru ila akri ban ai ke Skhim thungding itu jaka kiba don kam kiba ki kendau kiba lak kibom donding ban thungding Kiwei ru ya ketu ka jaka hashi ha maria cross ke jingking jasiat itu ki mau ba itu ki lum tang ki mau sudah ila propose ban penkelai tu kum ka rock garden ban penha ban snaki lenti ban snaki footbridge ban ya na wi mau hui tak mau ban penkenal itu jaga itu lenti ba betul ka pring ya kinau jok kai perthai atau makin man pek ya ketuka garden ka rock garden dini ke ba nak keleng sokar ka ban ha ya ki engineers ban le ka survey kumno basna ban beautify dan itu na de ketu jaga saya kejiwan ni siam tasni kalau ke basno dan jikaman hatu kata-kata nalor jong kejiwan ni kenduk ban interak berkibril ban yakut ya kena ke klam hak bagi lodon meeting hangni hapo nativity andai rangkat berkata wilayah ban klinik development hak bagi kwe nanti ba kat bagi ni kon ya kena ke klam ki development kena sakut hak kena ke distrik jogi ya ke bagi senang dia nak pos